Good morning, everybody. Let's go to the bins. Let's go make some money. Let's see what I can find. Let's see what the treasure's gonna be today. Who knows, maybe I'll find some silver, I'll find some gold, I'll sell it on eBay, on Poshmark, on Amazon, on Macari. You never know. Beauty about shopping at Goodwill Outlet, you just never know. But you know, they do pick through all that stuff, but they miss few little gems here and there, and it's not the same like it used to be. But you know what, I can't complain. They don't charge us interest fees in here, so let's keep them crossed and let's make some money. Fourth quarter, let's make some more money. Oh yeah, yesterday $610 day on eBay. What's up? Awesome, huh? Let's go. Let's go. There's a little line in there, but we're gonna be all right.